everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Thanks for coming back for a new video. Still trying to get my groove back here, trying to get into the painting and stuff. Got a lot going on for the summer, so summer's a little harder for me to get together my thoughts and get paintings done, but hopefully I'll get back in the swing here in the next couple of weeks. But today I wanted to do a split base Dutch pour. I wanted to use some colors that would cause some issues with blending and making mud, and I want to see if I can do it without making the actual mud. So I'm going to hopefully layer the colors in a different way and try not to overblow them, because the more you blow, the more mud you'll get. So I'm going to try to be very careful with my blowout. So let's get down on the canvas to get started. Be right back. Okay guys, so what I've got is a 15 by 30, and I want to do a split base, and I'm going to blow out and I'm going to keep some negative space on two corners, and I'm hopefully going to have kind of a petal blowout, so to speak. So let's get down here and we'll flood the canvas and get started. All right, so my first color, I think what I'm going to do is yellow on this side. And then we'll do purple on this side. Just gonna blow these out. So this was Nickel Titan Yellow. And so it will cover decently. It's just not covering on the sides as I'd hoped. And the other is Violet from Artist Loft, Soft Body. All right, first color I'm gonna put down is Iridescent Orange Yellow. I think what I'll do is put the orange on this side of the yellow. Then I've got metallic blue. Put that over here. Actually, I like that. Put a little bit on that orange. This is Reflex Green. I'm gonna put that over everything. Do a little bit of gold. Got some silver. And I've got some leftover metallic white. Give this a torch. What I'd like to do is kind of create this wave pattern this way and leaving some of the purple alone over there. Okay, so I was lucky that I did not get a bunch of mud. These are definitely hard colors to put together in one painting, especially when you're blowing them out. But as I'm sitting here, the colors are now starting to surface to the top. So now I get a little less blending. I still have blending of the color, but it's starting to now take shape and shine. And I can see tons and tons of cells popping up. So it's really, really cool. But yeah, it's coming great. So I'm just gonna let this sit, and I have torched. I'm gonna come back and torch one more time, and then I'll bring you guys down. All right, be right back. Okay guys, here we are with the wet result. Let me bring you in for close up. Look how it's really selling up there. All right, we'll see this one is dry. Okay guys, here we are with the dried result. So it dried really good. I'm very lucky I didn't get a lot of mud. So I almost overblew the top left, but I really lucked out, I will have to say. But look at the cells coming through, which were really cool. All right, everyone, that's it for the video. So that's the piece. It dried good. It's definitely gonna need that gloss varnish to bring the brightness of the colors out, but the split base maintained the purple and yellow. I've got all the colors in here. I did not get mud, which was which made me very, very happy. Got tons of cells coming in there, so that's really cool. But everything will come to life once I get that gloss varnish on it. But I like it. Really cool. You know, purples and yellows, complete opposite. So trying to get them to not blend and make mud was really cool. I almost started to overblow up here at the top, so I had to be careful, but you can see how the colors really came back through. So again, putting some gloss varnish will make that stuff come back to life. So, all right, great experiment. Turned out it worked pretty well, so I'm very happy with it. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Everyone have a great rest of the weekend. And I think I think I'll have a video on Wednesday. I'm not sure yet because I have to go back to work. So I don't know if I'm gonna have time to paint. I'll try. All right, everyone, talk to you soon. Have a great rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.